At the end of the day, you get paid based on utility bills you put into the system. So how do you enter one? It's very easy, and there are a couple of ways. The first way is to share your unique affiliate link with others. You can use one of the marketing tools we put together for Facebook or Twitter, or you can just send the link directly to a friend by copying it here. Once you've had a conversation with someone, just let them know to fill out their information and submit their utility bill using the link. Be sure to follow up and make sure they fill it out. The other way to enter utility bill is to get the information and fill it out for them. Simply click the plus sign here, and you'll be redirected to this page. Here, you can fill out their first name, last name, email, and phone number. You should be able to find their postal code and street address on their utility bill. Then, upload the utility bill and click Submit. Please be sure to fill this information out fully and completely, or it may not show if they qualify for a solar deal. Easy as that.